Welcome, front me is an ASUS Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right here on the second page. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording your screen, or you can also hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can quickly change several different things and quality of it. So resolution right at the top allows you to obviously change the resolution, although I would advise to keep it at 1080p. This will make it look crisp. And the quality, I guess this refers to bitrate. I'm not exactly sure what they mean by quality, because resolution should be or could be also considered quality. So anyway, I'm gonna set it to high. Then we have frame rate. By default it looks to be set to 60, which is really nice. This is probably going to be the sweet spot for majority of the people, but you also have the option to record at the staggering 120 frames if you want to. Now if you're planning to do this, I do warn you, if you choose to go higher than 60 or lower depending on which one you pick, the file size will either be larger or smaller. So as an example, this will be probably inaccurate, but if a 1 minute of a video recording takes 1 gigabyte at 60 frames, then with 120 frames, it will basically take twice as much. So 1 minute will take 2 gigs of space instead of 1. And same, if you drop it to 30, it will be half a gigabyte instead of 1. So keep in mind that the higher frame rate you pick, the more storage the recording will take. Now going back, the settings, we have storage location. Now right here we only have one, which is the internal. There is no SD card, but if you plug in some kind of like external storage using the USB-C, then you can select it to save directly to that if that's something that you want to do. Then we have orientation. I strongly recommend on keeping it on auto. Phone will in this case detect what orientation the device is located at and record at that orientation. Then we have record audio, so we have microphone, internal audio, or none. Unfortunately, there is no option to record both, so you'll have to pick or choose from one of those. Then we have countdown before recording. That is just a little add-on. If you want to tap on the recording and have a countdown of it, you can, but if you don't want that at all, you can set it to 0. It will instantly start recording after you tap on the toggle. And then start recording immediately when the screen recorder is turned on, which I guess kind of defeats the purpose for this, I guess. And we have some advanced options, which we have show touches, meaning wherever you touch the screen to swipe up or do whatever, on the recording it will create a semi-transparent gray dot just to show where you are pressing the display. And black overlay notification, and stop recording for incoming calls or alarms. So once you have gone through all the settings, you can just simply leave this and never come back to it, and then go to the toggle and start recording. Now as you can see, once I tapped on it, it should start recording instantly, but I still need to grant it access to several different things. So recording, screen, microphone, storage, and stuff like that, and now it's gonna start recording. Now we also have a couple different options right here. We can access settings right here quickly, and apart from that, whatever we do right now will be recorded. So I'm just kind of messing around, but once you're done, click on the stop button and this will stop it. Now with the video recording, there is one little gimmick. Applications, for instance, like Netflix, Hulu, and basically any kind of streaming application for TV shows and movies, will not allow it. For some reason, those applications have little access to your entire system and know when you're recording it, and will block it, which is kind of infuriating. Makes it a little bit concerning, to be perfectly honest, assuming it does have access to your device, to know when it's recording. But yeah, if you try to record things like Netflix, all you will get is just a black screen, and you will have sound, but there won't be any visual to it. So anyway, once you have saved or stopped the video recording, you can go into your photo gallery and you should find the screen recorder somewhere here. As you can see, there it is. And it's already playing. So there we go, that's the screen recorder. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.